cubing competitions. The speed cubing competitions was held by the Guinness World Record are of many types. First, blindfolded solving. Second, multi-blindfolded solving. Third, solving cube with feet, solving cube with one hand, and solving cube in fewest moves.
The record of world fastest speed cuber goes to Felix Zamdex. He completed the 3x3 Rubik's Cube in 4.22 seconds. The speed cubing is to solve cube as fast as possible. These people are known as speed cubers.
Nowadays, there are many softwares which able you to solve Rubik's cubes in least ways. These softwares work by understanding the colors of the cube by scanning its all sides.
One of the most famous methods to solve Rubik's cubes are Friedrich method. This method is made by Jessica Friedrich, used by most speed cubers. Rubik's method. This method is made by Gilles Rubik's, derives from Cornell's first method using U and M sides. Third, beginner's methods. It contains least algorithms and easy for those who are new to Rubik's Cube. Petrus method. This method is made by Lars Petrus and can give solution in few moves.
We will see how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube using the beginner's method in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this informative program. Please subscribe and like the video and press the bell icon.